I forgot my accessories. I have rings, by the way. Midway through filming, I'm putting on my accessories because I forgot them. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a different video. As the title would suggest, I'm going to be looking at the clothes I bought over quarantine and see whether I have worn them or not. So these are the clothes I have bought since March. Just a little disclaimer though, this is in no way, shape or form a type of bragging. This video is just for me. I wanted to see the stuff I've been buying since March. As someone who is passionate about the environment, I gotta walk the walk. I'm trying to buy more responsibly and basically just show you my style. And also this video is also going to be a reference for me. If I ever think that I have nothing to wear, I can look back at all the things I bought over quarantine. No one watches my videos aside from me and my family anyway. Hi family. But if you are new here and you are watching, comment down below what you want to see. A girl is not creative. Okay, so I have a full list here of all the things I bought. We're gonna start with tops. Most of the things I shopped this year has been Uniqlo. They're good quality, they're good price. So the first tops I'm gonna show you are the Uniqlo U tops. We have the mint one, khaki, an olive one, a navy and a white one. I believe I bought these way back in March for the purpose that I didn't really have any t-shirts and I know that summer was fast approaching, so I bought more Uniqlo shirts. Next up are some shirts from the JW Anderson Uniqlo collaboration. I have one in beige and one in green with stripes. I really love these. What else can I say? Uniqlo was having some sale. These tops were for £5.90 at the time. I believe I bought these in June, July. That's usually when the sale starts, and I wore them so much over the summer, so love them. Now for all the linen stuff I got from Uniqlo. I got this top, just a short sleeve linen beige top. I love Uniqlo's linen range. They can do no wrong. Linen can do no wrong, especially in the summer. Plus, again, it was on sale. Then I got two more tops that are linen, one in white. This one's a long sleeve one. You would have seen it on Instagram, as well as the brown one I wore on my Instagram. Next item is this Burberry hoodie. I got this hoodie when we went to Bicester Village. I am going to say this was kind of an impulse buy for me, just because I didn't find anything that I wanted on the day at Bicester Village and I didn't want to walk away empty-handed. I wore this a lot in Lake District. It was very warm. But yeah, I'm trying to preserve her because she's expensive. Next up is this jumper from Weekday. It is a green turtleneck jumper. I just got this quite recently, probably last month, just before the second lockdown of London. The material is very soft. I love it. Another jumper I got is this brown crew neck one from Uniqlo. It's their new lamb's wool range. I also got this just before it locked down. I've worn this. No, I haven't worn this, but I do love the color. I love brown, dark brown especially. Hopefully I can wear it sometime soon. So in the summer there was a trend with vests, so naturally I did get one, but I didn't really want to invest my money in something that I knew wasn't going to be a big trend. So I bought this brown one off of eBay. It's really good. The material is very nice, very soft, very surprising for something that's coming from eBay. I also bought a white one which looks like this. This one I also got off of eBay. It's kind of like a dupe of the H&M one, kind of cable knit design. I almost forgot about this one. I got a lavender wrap top. These are one of the things I got at the start of lockdown. It was March at the time, spring was fast approaching, and I love bright colors. And I love bright colors during the spring. So I got that. I've worn it a lot at home, especially working from home. I love the color, I love the fit, it's very snuggy and warm. So if you haven't seen, there's a trend of pleated clothing. Homme plissé Isamiyaki started the trend. I couldn't justify to buy something so expensive. I took to the high streets and found this top from Arket. It's quite pleated. I bought this just before the second lockdown, and then I liked the trend so much that I took to AliExpress and got this beige one that's also pleated. I like them both. I haven't worn either of them out, but I am planning to this Christmas season. Moving on to dresses, I've only got two. First one is this white one from Stradivarius. This was my birthday dress for this year. My family and I went for a little cute picnic at Greenwich Park, just because it was still locked down at the time. Well, not really locked down, you could go to parks, but restaurants weren't open. So, and then a few months later were the sales. I found this green dress that looked exactly like it from End of the Stories. As you can see, I still have the tag. I have not worn this. I was planning to wear it to Lake District for a cute kind of field photo, but I didn't get to do it just because it was too cold at the time. It was freezing. I couldn't wear a dress. Okay, I stand corrected. There are actually three dresses. I forgot about this one. This one is a Uniqlo Ines de la Frosange collaboration. So this one I also bought during the sales. This was me thinking that I could use it in an office or work event, because I knew we had an event sometime in September and I bought this in July. I didn't get to wear it still. Everything was done online. I haven't worn that. Now we move on to jackets. I've only got two. First one is this green Zara blazer from the men's section. I have been looking for a green blazer everywhere. This was the closest one I could find in the market. Yes, I have worn these in a couple of occasions. You might have seen it on my Instagram as well. And the second jacket is this leather one from Dorothy Perkins. Now this one is such a treasure. At the time when I bought this, leather jackets were just up and coming, and I wasn't really sure if I wanted a leather jacket for almost every single day in autumn. Love it so much. I also got a pocketable parka or a windbreaker from Uniqlo. I realized that I don't have a windbreaker yet. At the time I wanted to run and jog outside, which I think I only did once, but I love it so much. It's a great windbreaker, especially during the summer. It's thin, it's breathable. Last jacket item is this Muji vest. You would have seen me wear a vest to our Lake District trip, but that wasn't mine, that was my aunt's, and that was Uniqlo. And I walked into Muji one day and their vests were on sale, so I just grabbed it. Now we move on to trousers. Now this was the year I invested in joggers. I don't really have joggers that much, and the first ones I have here are these taupe pair from Misguided. They're actually a bit big on me, but I really wanted to get them because of the color I love. Another one is this mint green one from Topshop. I don't think I need to explain further, I just love this. And I have another grey one also from Topshop. That one I like better just because it's fleece lined, so it's really good this winter. Moving on, we're back to Uniqlo trousers. I got these Uniqlo U trousers, also from the July sales. Wore this in one of my Instagram posts. They're so good. They go with everything. And light trousers in the summer, can't fail. I also got these pistachio trousers from Uniqlo. I was pressured by my cousin to buy this. I didn't know how to wear it. These are very cute. I've worn them at home. I love them, they're so comfy. And then I got the dark blue road jeans from Weekday. I have the white ones already. They fit me so well. I got a couple of shorts from Uniqlo as well. This was at the same time when they had the summer sale, so everything was so cheap. First one are these ones. I just wear them at home. They're quite long. They feel like basketball shorts. I love them so much. I have one in cream, beige. Yeah, this one's beige. One in beige. And lastly, I also got a pair of shorts from H&M. They're a pair of linen shorts. They're like the long shorts trend thing. And I've worn them all so much during the summer. I love them so much. They're so good. The first pair of trousers are these Ines de la Fressange Uniqlo collaboration. These are my brown trousers. I love them so much. You would have seen me make a styling video if you follow me on TikTok. I have not worn these out yet just because these are dry clean only, and I am bound to find a dry clean service I trust. And last pair of trousers are mixed wool COS trousers. It's charcoal black. I love it so much. It's wide leg. I've still got the tag on it. So same as the Ines Uniqlo trousers, I haven't worn those out yet. Now on to shoes. First shoe item are my Gucci's. These are just the Jordan loafer horse bits. I love them so much. They look so classy, so elegant. I wore them a lot in the summer. The next pair of shoes are my Nike Dad shoes. These I got for my birthday again, and it's also on my Instagram. They're very cute, they're very comfortable. Next pair of trainers are these Novesta Store Master Trainer. These ones I bought from Arket. I've worn them a couple of times and I love them so much. They look so cute. And of course the last pair of shoes are my Doc Martens. I have been wearing them countless times. They're still in good shape, and I'm definitely sure you'll be seeing more of my Docs. So those are all of the things that I have bought during quarantine, you guys. That's really a lot. But I have been selling my clothes on Depop, on eBay. And yeah, if you want to make a video like this, please feel free to do it. I'd love to see what you have bought over the lockdown. Let me know what you think and see you in the next video.